Let me show you how to use CommenTron to get an incredible amount of attention on your LinkedIn profile, all from the right audience. We all know it's a challenge to get people to read your content. The truth is, most people are naturally more interested in what relates directly to them. But there's a clever way to ensure they pay attention to every word you write. Comment on their content. With this approach in mind, one of the most effective ways to capture attention is by engaging directly with what others post. But how can we streamline this process and make sure we're targeting the right people? Let's walk through an example. Say you want to target marketing directors. Follow these steps and feel free to adapt them to your own needs. Head over to the search bar and type in a keyword your target audience might use in their posts. For this example, let's go with generating leads. Hit Enter, then open the All Filters panel. Scroll down to where it says Author Keywords and enter the title of the people you're aiming to reach. If this is a daily habit for you, set the Date Posted filter to 24 hours to ensure you're always engaging with fresh content. Now you're ready to start commenting. Before you do, choose your preferred tone, length, and any other settings. Personally, I like to go with a brief length and a witty tone. And there you have it. Hit comment and watch the magic unfold.